Hello everyone, welcome back to Silver Octagon Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating a ultrasonic distance sensor with SD-1's hand. Alright everyone, so the basic rundown of this and the plan to use the ultrasonic distance sensor is to basically allow the hand to know exactly when to grab something. So for instance, the closer an object is to the hand, it'll trigger the program to grab that object. So in the future, the ultrasonic distance sensor is actually going to be embedded within the palm of SD-1's hand. So in turn, I'm actually going to redesign the hand to fit around the sensor. So that's it for today's video. That wraps everything up. I just want to say thank you for everybody watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload. See you guys soon.